All right, let's talk about solving problems. Not just patching them up, but really, truly solving them for good. Today, we're going to learn how to stop dealing with symptoms and start finding the real why behind what's going wrong. This is going to be fun.
You know that feeling, right? That one issue, maybe at work, maybe at home, that just keeps coming back no matter what you do. It feels like you're just slapping on another Band-Aid, stuck on some kind of frustrating treadmill. Well, there's a reason for that. We're often just fighting the symptom, not the actual disease.
And this, right here, is the absolute key. Seeing the difference between the what and the why. You see a leak, you put a bucket under it. That's the what. But the real problem, the why, is the broken pipe hiding in the wall. You can collect a dozen buckets, but that pipe is still broken. It's the same with a headache. A painkiller helps for a bit, but what if the root cause is actually your eyesight? You need to fix the real problem. So this is where we put on our detective hats. It's called root cause analysis, or RCA for short. Think of it as a toolkit for an investigator, but it's also a mindset shift. It's not about finding someone to blame, not at all. It's about figuring out the system, digging past the obvious, and finding that broken pipe so you can fix it once and for all. Okay, so any good detective will tell you you can't chase down every single lead at the same time. It's just not efficient. You have to focus. You have to cut through all the noise and find the clue that's actually going to crack the case. And here's the secret. Most of our problems are not created equal. Seriously, a tiny handful of issues, the vital few, are usually responsible for the vast majority of our headaches. So the trick, the real game changer, is figuring out what those are and hitting them first. And our first tool for this job is the Pareto diagram. It's built on that famous 80-20 rule, which you've probably heard of. The idea is that a lot of the time, 80% of your problems are coming from just 20% of the causes. This diagram is just a brilliant way to see that visually.
Okay, check this out. It makes things so clear. Imagine we're running a restaurant. Yeah, we've got some complaints about food quality, some about staff, but look at that huge bar on the left. Long wait times make up 78% of all complaints. This chart is basically screaming at us, hey, forget the other stuff for a minute. This is your fire. Put this one out.
And just like that, we have focus. We're not guessing. We're not running around trying to fix a dozen little things. We've used data to find our main target. Our investigation now has a crystal clear direction. Why on earth are the wait times so long? All right, so we've identified the what, those crazy long wait times. Now it's time to find the why. For this, we're going to bring in another fantastic tool to help us map out all the potential suspects. Let me introduce you to the fishbone diagram. I absolutely love this thing. It's basically a big investigation board, like you see in detective movies. It's a way to brainstorm and see every single possible cause all in one place. And it's so simple to build, really. You just write the main problem, for us, long wait times, at what looks like the fish's head. Then you draw these main bones coming off it for big categories of causes, like people, process, technology, stuff like that. Then you just start brainstorming all the little potential causes that fit under each category.
So for our restaurant, it might look something like this. Under the process bone, maybe the kitchen workflow is a mess. Under people, maybe we're short-staffed on Fridays or new hires aren't trained well. For technology, hey, maybe that ordering system is from the dark ages. Suddenly, all these ideas that were floating around in our heads are organized and right there in front of us.
Now here's the crucial part. The fishbone doesn't just give you the answer. What it gives you is a map. It's a complete map of possibilities, showing you all the places you need to go look and all the questions you need to ask to find what's really going on. It's about seeing the whole system. So let's just pull back for a second. What we've really done here is create a simple, super effective, and repeatable blueprint for taking on pretty much any complex problem. It really just boils down to a simple 3-step dance. Step 1, prioritize with the Pareto diagram to find the one big problem you need to tackle. Step 2, brainstorm all the possible whys with the fishbone to see the whole picture. And step 3, dig in, investigate those possibilities, and find the true root cause so you can build a solution that actually lasts. The famous inventor Charles Kettering nailed it. He said, "A problem well stated is a problem half solved." And that's exactly what these tools do. They force you to state your problem with absolute data-driven clarity. And once you've done that, well, you're already halfway to the finish line. Because that's the whole point, isn't it? To stop living in this constant reactive state of just fighting fires and to start proactively building systems that actually prevent the fires from ever starting.
So I'll leave you with this to think about. What's that one recurring problem in your world, whether it's at your job or in a personal project? What's the first fire you're going to stop fighting so you can finally figure out what's the first root cause you're going to uncover?